Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. I'm R1 Rider. Today we've got Nate Baby with us. Miss you, buddy. We're gonna go get him a COVID test. He's not sick or anything.
Funny, you act like you've never had anything in the back of your throat.
Stop.
Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. I'm R1 Rider. Today we've got Nate Baby with us. Miss you, buddy. We're gonna go get him a COVID test. He's not sick or anything. He's gonna just be visiting somebody, and so he's gonna take all the precautions necessary, make sure that he's good to go. And yeah, so we're gonna go do that, and that should be interesting. I know that does not feel good. I haven't had one. Also, it is extra hot out today, man. Well, it's been hot out all week. It's 10:30 and I'm already sweating out of every orifice in my body.
Are you gonna put the exhaust on it?
When I got the money. When am I gonna put the exhaust on it? Bro, when I got an extra $1,200. And I am sorry for the lack of uploads lately. I've actually been taking the time I have to edit to actually ride, because I don't get to ride often. And so I'm taking, you know, every chance I get to ride to get the video, so then later on when I can't ride, then I can edit them and release them for you guys. So that's kind of what I'm doing. And while I'm thinking about it, right now would be a good opportunity to remind you guys, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe, and also make sure that the bell notification is on so you always know when I upload more content. I greatly appreciate it. Maybe leave a like on the video. I think we're here.
Okay.
You're going to break that in half with the notch in the middle. And hold it here in the center. Tilt your head back and start the swab into your nose until your fingertips touch the edge of your nostril.
Ooh.
Twist it 3 times. I'm going to count to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now go ahead and take it out.
Oh, hell no.
Unfortunately, now you have to do the same thing on the other side.
Oh, with the same swab. And that same boogery swab. Alright.
Yes.
Alright.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Go ahead and take it out.
Ooh. Oh god,
There's
I'm
a test
crying.
tube down there. Go ahead and open the test tube up.
Hold on, I'm crying a little bit.
Swap it cotton side down.
Funny, you act like you've never had anything in the back of your throat before.
Stop. Alright, so put it in here.
How was that, buddy?
That sucked, dude. Alright, what do I do with this?
Throw it away. So put this in there, put that in there.
Alright, you guys, so we just finished up with Nate's COVID test. Hopefully you guys enjoy that little bit of footage that we got. He definitely did not like it. I couldn't do that, bro. I'd have to have somebody like shove it up there for me, because I couldn't do it, bro. I couldn't do it. But I think now we're gonna go get we're gonna ride. Nate needs a haircut because he's looking scrappy, and then we're probably gonna and then we're probably gonna ride up the Armadillos, see the guys for a minute. I'm gonna check my chain out, get it adjusted, lubed up a little bit and stuff. So woo, that feels so much better. Alright guys, so we just got to Armadillos. I know this bike right there. I know that bike. What's up, beautiful people? Alright, you guys, so we are leaving Armadillos as we speak. I'm gonna hit the gym a little bit, then gonna come back. Nate's gonna get tires put on. Oh man, it was a good ride today. I had fun. Thank you for coming.